how to share location in Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. Today I am here again with a simple and easy tutorial on how to share location in Messenger. So let's get started. Firstly, open your Messenger and make sure that you are logged in into your account. Now open the chat where you want to share your location. Once the chat appears, click on the plus icon at the bottom left corner. Now two options will pop up on your screen, from which click on the location option. Now this type of screen will be appeared on your screen, from which click on the option that says start sharing live location for 60 minutes. Once you click on it, your live location will be shared to the user you have selected. Remember to notice that your live location will be only shared for 1 hour, and if you want to share location for another hour, you can repeat this process. So that's it for the video. I hope you understood how you can share location on Messenger. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you on next video. Till then, stay updated. Bye bye.